Miko!
I see your problem, your linkage bolt's hanging out again.
How far?
Only an inch.
Ah, plenty of room.
And there's a couple of inches of stick hanging out there too.
That's not the problem. The problem's the rider, Miko. The rider hasn't got enough go about him.
Oh. Emergency brake.
Hey.
That's the handbrake. Hey, I'm about to get fucking crunched here. They dragged some dirt down into that hole.